Rarely are flagstone walkways completely smooth, but if stones or mortar are missing, they can become unsightly and dangerous. To replace missing stones, you'll need stones of similar size and thickness to what already exists. You may have to do a little chipping to make the new pieces fit within the voids. Do this slowly and whittle away from the edge so you don't remove too much material. Once the stones are dry fit, you're ready to mix up the mortar. This is a pre-mixed mortar that only requires the addition of water. Remove the stones and apply some mortar on each location. Then replace the stones, pressing them down into the mortar. To replace missing mortar around the existing stones, mix the mortar a little thinner so it runs into the crack when applied to the joints. As the mortar begins to dry, you'll want to start to clean it off of the face of the stones using a mason brush or sponge along with a light spray from the garden hose. When the mortar is completely dry, clean the entire surface with a masonry or stone cleaning solution. This is necessary to prepare it for the application of a sealer. Applying the sealer will protect the stones and the mortar so that the walkway remains safe and attractive for a long time.